How to use Frase marketing tool properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Frase is an incredible tool for content research, optimization, and creation, but beginners often make mistakes that limit its effectiveness. You won't believe how small missteps can slow your marketing results and waste effort. The first mistake is skipping the research phase. Frase can analyze top-ranking pages and generate an outline, but many users dive straight into writing. Without understanding what the top competitors cover, you risk missing key topics or writing content that isn't competitive. For example, a blog on email marketing tips must include sections on segmentation, personalization, and automation to match high-ranking pages. Another common error is over-relying on AI-generated content. Frase can create paragraphs or summaries, but blindly copy AI output often results in generic, low-value text. Always review, edit, and add unique insights to ensure your content stands out. Neglecting content optimization is also costly. Frase tracks SEO-relevant keywords and headings, but beginners may ignore the optimization suggestions, missing opportunities to improve rankings. Use the tool to refine your headings, meta descriptions, and keyword distribution while keeping your content natural. Many users overlook the power of question-based content. Frase identifies common questions in your niche, which can be used for fact sections or structured content. Ignoring this feature means missing out on featured snippets and voice search traffic. Finally, analytics integration is underutilized. Frase allows tracking how optimized content performs over time. Beginners often fail to monitor progress, missing insights on which adjustments actually improve engagement and rankings. To use Frase effectively, research thoroughly, refine outputs, optimize content strategically, incorporate question-based sections, and monitor analytics. Avoiding these beginner mistakes will make your marketing content smarter, more competitive, and more effective.